Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Star Citizen error code 64008. The error reads, Spawn Resolver Error. A spawn resolver error occurred. Please try again in a couple of minutes. If the issue persists, please report this problem on Issue Council. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI-generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to log in. According to our research, there is no official explanation for this error. It may be a new error or just a temporary issue caused by general problems with the game or servers. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to restart your device along with your internet connection. Simply shut down your device and router, then wait for a few moments, then power them back on and check if this helps with the error. If the error still comes, then check if you need to update the game. Simply launch the game client and make sure it's running on the latest version. If not, update it and check for the error again. If the error persists, try connecting over a different network. You can switch to another Wi-Fi connection or use a mobile hotspot. Once connected over the other network, see if the error still comes. If the error continues, then it may be a server-side issue. In this case, wait for some time and try again later. At last, if the error still persists, then reach out to the game support team and report the issue. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.